Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will see how to make a tasty, healthy, at the same time very easy recipe which you can use for lunch or carry it in your lunch box too. That is Keerai Sadam. Sadam is rice. Keerai refers to any green leafy vegetable. Today I am using palak or spinach. I have taken one bunch of this palak or spinach leaves, washed and chopped. You can use any green leaf vegetables, you can use amaranth also, no problem. I kept some water for boiling. So we will add this chopped palak into the boiling water and just blanch it for a couple of minutes. You keep some cold water ready over here. Now after about 2 minutes, just drain out this palak from this water and immediately transfer it into the cold water. This helps to retain the lovely green color of the spinach. Here I have soaked 1 cup of basmati rice in warm water for about 20 minutes. And I also have kept plenty of water for boiling. Now we will drain out this rice. I will just drain out the water. And add the rice to this boiling water. Now allow it to boil and cook till done. Meanwhile our palak has cooled well. Just drain out the water. Now add this blanched palak to your mixer jar and we'll just grind it into a puree. See, you just check it after about 7 or 8 minutes and it is done well. Now drain out the water from the rice. Drain out the rice and just allow it to cool so that the grains remain nice and fluffy. Now we will heat about a tablespoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds. This is some ginger and green chili, small piece of ginger and 2 green chilies I have taken. Also about 1 or 2 tablespoons of these peanuts. Fry the peanuts well. See, first add the peanuts, fry it well. Next add this ginger and green chili paste. I have taken 2 green chilies and a small piece of ginger and crushed it well. I have taken 1 onion and chopped it finely. Stir this also. Add salt to taste. Remember, greens will not take much salt, so don't add too much of salt. Be careful. When the onions are done, add this palak puree to it. We have already blanched the palak, so cooking the palak will not take much time. Just stir it around for a minute or 2 till all the water is absorbed and it becomes a little bit dry, just like this. See, now we can switch this off. Our rice has drained and cooled well. So I will just transfer it into my mixing bowl. Lovely fluffy separate grains of rice. I am just adding a teaspoon of ghee. It will add a very good flavor and also help to keep the rice grain separate. Now add this palak mix to the rice. With a gentle hand, just mix everything well together. Preferably use a fork. This way your rice grains will not get mashed. Finally, take a teaspoon of ghee and fry some cashew nuts in it. This is of course optional. If you don't want to use cashew nuts, you can just use groundnuts alone. That's entirely your choice. Pour this on top of this keera sadam or palak rice. Our healthy and tasty palak rice, which can be made very easily in busy mornings too. Along with some best combo would be some chips or fried appalam to go with it, or you can even serve it with some nice spicy dry sabjis like aloo or something like that. Depends on your availability of time. See our lovely tasty palak rice and retaining the attractive bright green of the palak. Children who are fussy about eating palak otherwise, you can make it like this and give it to them in their lunch box too. Adults also will definitely enjoy this recipe. This can also serve as a lunch box recipe. You can pack it and send it in the lunch box. If you are making it for children, just use these 2 green chilies and 1 small piece of ginger as I have done. But if you are making it for adults, you can definitely adjust the spice level, add another 1 or 2 green chilies more to suit your taste. A lovely healthy recipe. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.